Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without having a single skill set. You think that's not possible? Well, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and today we are going to learn how to make money on Fiverr without having any kind of skill. Yes, it's crazy, I know, but it's doable and people are doing it all over the globe. It's very similar to drop shipping. I know if you got into money making online niche a couple of years ago, you may have heard of drop shipping, and it's still going very strong. It's something like if you you look for a cheap wholesaler like somewhere from Asia, like AliExpress, and you find a product which is very inexpensive, like a $9 watch, and you go to Amazon or maybe eBay, and you try to create the same product over here, and it cost it around, I don't know, $15 or $18 per unit. You see where I'm going with this? Yeah, you can, if you make sale on Amazon or eBay of this product right here, you will earn, every time this product sell on eBay or Amazon, you're going to make like $10 on every product. And as soon as you get orders, you get the address of the customer who wants to buy this product from eBay, and then you buy this product here yourself and share the address of that person who is communicating here with you. You see what happens here? It's very simple, but not as simple with Amazon and eBay. But when it comes to Fiverr, you can do the same thing, guys and girls. Yes, you can. It's very simple and it's very doable. The Fiverr is like eBay, and SEO clerks is like AliExpress, with cheap services of same nature. Get my point? So what happens here? Let's just oh yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Well, something viral. You want to get something viral. Your website, your post, best message, Spotify promotion. While Spotify, you know what? We should have stuck with YouTube. How about YouTube video? Something. Yeah. No. Promotion, YouTube, animated outros. I don't see YouTube. What's happening here? Let's try again one more time. Third time is a charm, as they like to say it. Yeah, okay. Create, design, YouTube video promotion, organic marketing. Alright, over here is $5. Let's just get done with the readings. YouTube, categorized by social media design. Platform type, yeah, yes, relevance. Right over here, you check best selling. Click best selling. Now look at here. This is a top rated seller, and he is giving away the services, promotion services, YouTube, $25. So right, and this one doesn't even have a rating. Pro verified. Oh, okay, I got it. This one's charging $5. This one's YouTube promotion $10. This is a level 2 seller, level 1 seller $10, $5 here. Alright, so you see what kind of market is for YouTube video promotions on Fiverr. So let's see what we can find here on SEO clerks. We're looking for YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So we'll ship on their channel or video. Let's by ratings. See, people are selling the same service over there in for $5 to $10 or $25, and you can find these services for $2 and 99% approval rate. YouTube promotes marketing your video. Okay, $5, $10. Let's see. What if he's use around 5, 10, 5, 10, $15. Level 2 seller, $15. People are getting away with this, okay? So, what I need you to do, you create a profile very similar to profile over here with Minister, Mac, or a profile like here. And you just duplicate the profile. I mean, not exactly duplicate it. You mention your details in it, your contact details. So there's no 99% approval rate, $3 YouTube video marketing. It's just open one of these guys, one of these profiles. Copy the services, because when you get orders from Fiverr, you will be asking this person to deliver the order, right? So you just copy the services over here. Just make a similar, just mirror the profile with your logo and face on it over here. And whenever you get an order from Fiverr, you just go over to Mr. Whatever his name is. You follow the person so you don't lose him. And you just go over here and you purchase an order of the similar nature which you have received from Fiverr. And for Fiverr, how to promote your gigs on Fiverr is pretty simple. You just need to, all you need to do, there's nothing much really you can do except for promoting your purchasing campaign promotions. But if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to spend your money over on those promotions for your gigs, what you can do is try to have a very attractive video of yourself, or maybe you will have to come in front of camera for this. And just introduce yourself and what you can do, what your skill set is, and how have you been doing this, and you have just run Fiverr, but you have a pretty vast background in digital animation stuff, or SEO. Just try to give out this confident vibe from that video. And Fiverr tends to promote gigs web videos and video introductions. Trust me, people have done miracle work with that. I mean, people have gotten some amazing orders just because of that. People who are just newbies on Fiverr, but they're getting more and more gigs on average from people, from profiles who have been there for years, just because they have video introduction or some kind of animating introduction. So that works. That's really good. Just try to manage that, and you'll be golden. Okay, that's it for today. And before you leave, check out the description. I've left a free giveaway about how to turn your passion into your online business. It's a great book. Do not miss out. It's free of cost. Thank you very much. Bye.